What do I stand for? Well, it's honesty, integrity and transparency. This is my brand. It encompasses everything that I do in business. Well, most of it. Don't get me wrong, it wasn't always that way. I've dabbled in stuff that would make your hair curl, at least from a digital marketing point of view. I sailed way too close to the wind on many occasions and almost sank as a result. A long time ago, I was doing stuff that is now considered black hat. And it was clever stuff at the time anyway. SEO stuff like creating doorway pages, sneaky redirects, keyword stuffing and creating link pyramids before link pyramids were actually a thing. I soon changed my perspective because I wasn't actually building anything that would stand the test of time. So I started to look for longevity rather than quick hits and easy wins. But in order to set myself apart and create a brand that people learn to love and trust, I needed to build brand values and I needed to embrace them and convey them to my audiences. So I did that. I went back to basics and discovered who I was underneath. And as I said, honesty, integrity and transparency. Even though, yeah, it does sound a bit cheesy. Today I get approached by people who reach out to me for help because they know that I'm not going to rip them off. It's true, I've been ripped off too, and it's unpleasant. People trust me because one, they know that I've been in marketing for years, and two, because I live by my ethics. So surround yourself with the values that live in your heart and in your mind. Make those values your brand and stick by them to the word. Deviate and you'll lose trust. Ask yourself, what do I really want to be known for? And then live it, practice it, teach it, allow it to become your reputation. Even if you might deviate from time to time, we all do. You might ask yourself, well, what do I want to be known for? This is a harder question to answer than you might think, so you've got to be absolutely brutally honest with yourself. First, you've got to make sure that you can actually live up to those values in the first place. It's no good saying that you're the best listener in the world or the most approachable business when in fact you're not. It will come back and bite you in the backside. Instead, look at what you've been doing. You might be dodgy. That's fine if you want to be dodgy. There's plenty of customers who will line up to buy from you, maybe. But live up to your reputation, whatever that may be, and your reputation will then become your brand. Promote it. Tell people what your values are. Shout it from the rooftops if you need to. Weave it into your content, your blog posts, your social media presence, your daily conversations with clients. Become what you want to become and celebrate it. So what would I like you to take away from this tutorial? Well, a lot of people are afraid to become a figurehead for their business. And that's fine, don't get me wrong. But it's also important for your business to be human too. You've got to show your market that underneath your fantastic products and services, there's a person who's willing to stand up for your morals and ethics. Once you do that, your business will become almost human-like. People don't usually really warm to businesses, but they will warm to them if they've got a personality. So if you're a small business, don't be afraid to show the world your personality behind your brand. Get out there, be yourself, and you'll find that your marketing gets so much easier when it has the human touch. Good luck, and don't forget to share your experiences with all of us at the Rainmakers.